Hello friends, welcome to Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. We bring you so many informative videos on different concepts that related to healthcare. I would like to welcome you all to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates on our upcoming informative videos. Also, you can visit our blog www.learnbiomedengine.blogspot.com to learn more concepts that we share in our videos. We will be supportive in advertising your healthcare products. We can promote your healthcare events, and also we can provide technical reviews for your medical devices and many online supports to boost up your healthcare business. If you are interested to get support from us, please contact us in the given mail ID. Today's video is about rehabilitation engineering. Let's see, what is rehabilitation engineering? The term rehabilitation engineering means the systematic application of engineering sciences to design, develop, adapt, test, evaluate, apply, and distribute technological solutions to problems confronted by individuals with disabilities in functional areas such as mobility, communications, hearing, vision, and cognition, and in activities associated with employment, independent living, education, and integration into the community. Rehabilitation engineers design and build devices and systems to meet a wide range of needs that can assist individuals with mobility, communication, hearing, vision, and cognition. Some of these patients might have cerebral palsy or Parkinson's disease, have suffered a stroke or head trauma, or be recovering from a spine injury. Since much of the work in this area is focused on neurological conditions and physical function, solutions rely heavily on neural, biomechanical, and biorobotic engineers. These types of assistive technologies help people with day-to-day activities related to employment, independent living, and educations. Let's see about the applications of rehabilitation engineering. Rehabilitation engineering may involve relatively simple observations of how individuals perform tasks and making accommodations to eliminate further injuries and discomfort. On the other hand of the spectrum, rehabilitation engineering includes sophisticated brain-computer interfaces that allow a severely disabled individual to operate computers and other devices simply by thinking about the task that they want to perform. First, we are going to see about brain-computer interfaces. Brain-computer interfaces used to enable severely impaired individuals to communicate and access information. These technologies use the brain's electrical impulses to allow individuals to move a computer cursor or a robotic arm that can reach and grab items or send text messages. Rehabilitation engineers also improve upon standard rehabilitation methods to regain functions lost due to congenital disorders, disease such as stroke or joint replacement, or injuries such as limb loss to restore mobility. Rehabilitation robotics to use robots as therapy aids instead of solely as assistive devices. Smart rehabilitation robotics aid mobility training in individuals suffering from impaired movement such as a stroke. Virtually rehabilitation, which uses virtual reality simulation exercises for physical and cognitive rehabilitation. These tools are entertaining, motivate patients to exercise, and provide objective measures such as range of motion. The exercises can also be performed at home by a patient and monitored by a therapist over the internet, known as tele-rehabilitation, which offers convenience as well as reduced cost. Physical prosthetics. Physical prosthetics such as smarter artificial legs with powered ankles, exoskeletons, dexterous upper limbs, and hands. This is an area where researchers continue to make advances in design and function to better mimic natural limb movement and user intent. Sensory prosthetics such as retinal and cochlear implants to restore some lost function to provide navigation and communication, increasing independence and integration into the community. Advanced kinematics to analyze human motion, muscle electrophysiology, and brain activity to more accurately monitor human functions and prevent secondary injuries. Modulation of organ function as interventions for urinary and fecal incontinence and sexual disorders. Recent developments in neuromodulation of the peripheral nervous system offer the promise to treat organ function in the case of a spinal cord injury, secondary disorder treatment such as pain management. Let's see the novelties in rehabilitation engineering. Navigation aids, restoring muscle control, processes control, closed loop braces for limbs and spine. So that's all about rehabilitation engineering. If you missed to watch our previous videos, please watch it soon in our YouTube channel, and also keep supporting us by subscribing our YouTube channel. Put a like and comment to your favorite videos, and also share it with your friends and colleagues. We are available in all these social medias. You can also follow us, and the links are given below in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos like this.